Alright, so we about to do exactly what I did this morning on GU. I'm about to go over what the fuck I'm looking at. GJ looked like the best pair to trade tonight. It's London session as well. We got two London session pairs, so I'm fucking with it. Let's look at GU real quick, my nigga. Hold up. Let's look at GU real quick so y'all can see what the fuck I dealt with today. If y'all look at this shit, bro. Look how terrible this price action is, bro. And this is what I saw during New York. Where do New York end, right? Really, I stopped trading at 11 at the latest. And when I be at work, when I gotta go to work that day, I don't be trading past fucking 10, bro. Look at this shit, though. Fucking ass. And it really hasn't came outside of this fucking range. Nah, ain't no way. Yo, am I looking at the same shit as y'all, bro? Look at this shit, bro. We're gonna go from the very top to the very bottom of this whole shit. And that's including London session, bro. You see this? 26 pips, gang. I almost can't believe my eyes. Am I reading this right? Boom. So we're really in the uptrend on the daily, but we just took out this daily high from, is this last week? That's a high of last week. No, it's not. I'm lying. But it's a high from last week. Boom, on the 4 hour, it looks even better. If we take the highest high in this range, all the way to the lowest low. Boom, we been hit equilibrium right here. Came back down, pushed up, took out this high. So there's a couple things we could do. We could push through this high and just continue to the upside. But since we're on the 4 hour and this is a high on the 4 hour, I expect us to retrace at least a little bit, bro. So I'm taking shorts today on GJ if it presents itself. But I definitely expect us to at least come to equilibrium of this range right here, which is gonna be somewhere in this area. I'm just gonna make this a different color than the other shit. I didn't mean to do that. I really think we're gonna come all the way down here to right here, Asian sell side. But that's a pretty big move. So I'm not really gonna try and capitalize on all that because while I am gonna try and capitalize, I'm not going to try and catch the entire move, is what I'm trying to say. I'm a little bit sleepy, so that's why I'm fucking my words up. Matter of fact, let me drink some of this. I'm sad that that's gone. That shit kind of tastes like chemicals, but it don't taste terrible. And it's giving me a little bit of energy. But yeah, look at that shit. Boom. We wicked it right here on the 1 hour, my bad. And yeah, I expect this to come down at least. Look at this little area right here. This is a nice little smooth area for the 15-minute. I expect this to at least come down to here. So I'm really just waiting for a setup. It's also only 1:15, so I'm hoping we get a little bit more time. But yeah, I just want to see this placement through one of these lows, fair value gap, enter, bang, boom, bow. Hopefully I can make some money, man. But if not, sorry, my back fucking itches. Need a bitch to come rub my shit. But if not, it's not about making money, it's about focusing on good habits. I am down on my account, that's cool though. We still the first week of February. I'm only down 0.5%. And my win rate is 60% right now. I took two small wins, which kind of fucks with my psychology because I'm always thinking I need my wins to be bigger than my losses. But I was taking half profits, got stopped at break even a couple of times. Better than losing, what can you do? You know what I'm saying? What I could have did actually was understand that the market conditions were only offering a certain target. So I really let's go to GU for example. You probably wondering, how the fuck did he trade this? He caught a trade in this action right here? No fucking way. This nigga's goated. I know. Go watch my video and see how I did that shit. Anyways, I took a long somewhere in here. Boom. Trying to target somewhere up here. Stop down here. Something like that. You see how fucking shit this price action is? I should have realized, okay, cool. Let's just aim for these highs. This was really my first TP, right? Boom. My second TP, which was my TP for the entire day. This is the level I was expecting us to hit for the whole day, because this is equilibrium of this range, and we just took out previous month's low right here and filled in a 4-hour fair value gap and a 1-hour fair value gap in here before having this slow ass push up. I'm thinking, boom, there's no way we don't come up here. I was expecting the sell side sweep down here. This is London lows, then a push up here, but we wanted to consolidate. Anyways, I seen that we consolidated, and I seen that we fucking swept liquidity like fucking once, then again, and we never took out this high. So boom, we sweep liquidity, push up, we didn't take this high. Come down, sweep liquidity again, push up, didn't take out this high. Come down, we don't sweep liquidity, we push up, we don't sweep liquidity, we come down, we sweep liquidity again. Then I'm thinking, oh, let's take a long and finally target this high. No, nigga, just target this one. So that's really my fault. And I actually had my target a little bit up here because there was a fair value gap in this area that I was trying to hit. So really, this was my fault. So it fucked up my RR. I ended up closing with less than what I risked, because obviously, if you catch a 1-to-1 and you only close half and the other half gets stopped right here at break even like that, you're not covering your risk. So now we could come up and sweep these highs, these internal highs, and then get a push down, because that's what we do sometimes. We sweep buy side, we fuck around, do all this little accumulation shit, and then we sweep the high again one more time, and then we start to push down. Now, I'm not forcing no type of trades. If I don't see a setup to the downside, I'm not taking the trade, period. Bro, you see the shells popping into my hair, bro? Oh, we about to go. That was a 43X. We about to go to the G2C. No. Yeah, see, I don't have that problem. Yeah, it just hits my head. I'm like, ow, that's not. He was trying to talk to us and shit. I'm trying to shoot, nigga. But he was cool, though. What I want to happen. What would favor me? I wouldn't say what I want to happen, but what would favor me the most is if we did reject this and created a swing low. If we did not break this swing low, if we did not break the low that we just created, we stay somewhere in this area, but we stay above that low. We close above it, and then we push down with this placement through the low and through the fair value gap. And then I could take the inverse and be so happy. You feel me? Boom. We get a strong push below this low, this placement, fair value gap, swing high, trade below the low. We might start pushing down. I think the time is very soon. I think we're about to start pushing down right now. We are still pushing down. And I want to see you close below here. That would just be so fire. Okay, that was good enough. You're moving slow and steady. Can't be mad at that. This shit is still goddamn consolidating. What the fuck? But we do look like we've been wanting to move down though. We never broke above this high either. So I still got faith in you. You know, I never not once thought about quitting this shit ever in my life. There's no way I'm that tired, bro. I'm just spilled this shit on my blanket. All right, let's see. If you just want to move, like if you want to move, do the groove, we can do that shit. Like stop fucking around, bro. Just go ahead. Boom. Now we shifting market structure right here. If we close below, I want a stronger push, bro. I want a stronger push, please. Can you make it known to me like, yes, we want to push. We want to push. Like, let me know so I can join. I can join in, bro. Okay, that's better. I ain't gonna lie, this is obsolete to me now. That is you're doing great. You're doing fucking great. You already looking like you want to shift. So let's just keep it up, man. See, I seen it from the jump all the way up here. Boom, come back up. We broke below this. We still pushing. To this day. Yep, there we go. Told y'all we want to push. Tap me in there. Just sold, baby. How am I down to $11 as soon as I sell? So we're gonna put you up here. About 87. All right, where we gonna take our first profits? I know we wanna come down here. I bet. I'm starting to like the 1 minute a little more. It's getting easier to read the structure on the 1 minute. I just gotta wait for a little bit more confirmation on the 1 minute than the other time frames. We gonna at least take out these lows, nigga. We ain't come down here for no reason. We gonna at least take out these lows, bro. And if we don't, then it's just bad market conditions and it's just a loss. And that's all it is. And there's nothing to be really tripping about. All right, let's see. Boom. Break through all these swing lows. Put in a swing high right there. Trade below this low. Boom. We did it. Next low gonna trade below this candle's low. And then if we do that, we're gonna see this low. And it's highly likely if we see this low, we gonna see all of this shit, baby. So it's highly likely we gonna see TP1, baby. I don't like how we sitting in this bitch, but I'm really not tripping either. I ain't gonna lie, part of me is feeling a little nervous, but ain't no time for that. Let's see what the 1 minute talking about. Cause I don't really like how we still up here at all. I wanna see us start to move down, but I don't really enjoy being in drawdown on my account or on a trade at all, really. I don't think anybody does though. Let's see. I don't really know what we're doing. I don't really know why we're coming up. Maybe not enough displacement. Who knows? Let's see. But also some trades are just losers. We gotta also accept that. I have been winning a good amount in terms of the amount of trades I've been winning recently. It's more than I usually do. A loss has to come at some point. You can't win them all. It's just I haven't been winning a lot in terms of profits. It's a very interesting trade. But I'm gonna let my stop get hit. Now, luckily, we haven't gotten any displacement whatsoever to the upside. There's been no displacement, but we're moving up hard right now. And we could very well just get stopped out. I'm just very interested. What are we doing? Maybe I didn't wait for an internal sweep first. But yeah, we finna get stopped. I don't really see how we don't. Yeah, it's stopped out. Maybe we did get a sweep right here, but maybe it's because I didn't wait for a buy side sweep right there. Damn, that hurts, bro. I ain't gonna lie, cause I'm looking at the trades that I'm winning recently, and it's just bothering me that I'm getting small wins. Like, I'm like, damn, I only won 50. Damn, I only won 50. When I'm risking 80. And then I go, and then this shit happens, and I realize, like, yeah, bro, what? Your wins are tiny, and now your losses are huge. Like, last month, my losses were small, but my wins were big. So my win percentage was like 33%, but I still ended the month with 15% profit. This month is a little bit different. I'm losing a little bit more. Was that a good loss? I followed my rules. I stuck to my plan. I took the trade that I thought was the most probable. Shit like this makes me scared to trade, bro. I ain't gonna lie, cause I feel like I did everything right, but I still got stopped up. Just like that, everything I made in those 2 days is gone. I'm gonna catch y'all niggas, man.